Hello, you are welcome to our channel. On today's video, we are going to see how we can make $10 to our PayPal account just for answering polls. Today's video is going to be very simple, so my advice for you is to watch it to the end. Without wasting much time, let's get to the video. This is the recent payment I have made, and the app name is Aponio. If you search the app on Google Play Store, they will tell you this. This app isn't available on Google Play in your region. This particular app was purposely made for those in USA, UK, and Canada. But you too can earn when you have the app. So I will drop the APK in my Telegram channel, which means you can get the app in my channel, which link is in description. After installing the app, don't open it. Click on the link in my description, show the app link. It will direct you to your browser, and the browser too will open the Aponio app you have installed. Go ahead and click on Let's Go. You can continue with Google or email. This will be the interface after signing up. You can just answer the polls to earn. This is my balance here. I can exchange to PayPal money or Amazon gift card. You can also invite friends to earn. This is the end of the video. Kindly subscribe for more. Thank you.